The Sunshine Aquarium in Tokyo welcomes over 2 million visitors annually. The most popular attraction is Penguins in the Sky, which opened in 2017.
自分たちがいかにも海中にいるようなというところをとても感じていただける、かつちょっと空を飛んでいるようなシーンにも見えるような、他にない展示も目指した結果、このような水槽が出来上がりました。
This massive tank is 12 meters by 7 meters. However, it was said to be impossible to install on the roof of the 10-story building. So, how did they accomplish this feat of engineering? The project was led by Toru Yamazaki, a 20-year veteran in building aquarium tanks.
これは分割して現地で一つにするという方法を取りました。
The solution lay in using liquid acrylic adhesive. When poured between panels, the acrylic adhesive bonds at a molecular level, which is more than strong enough. By installing the panels separately, they overcame the installation obstacle. You can hardly even see the seam. Yamazaki works at a long-standing acrylic processing manufacturer, Shinshi. Thorough temperature control is vital for creating the acrylic panels used in aquariums. Acrylics soften at higher temperatures and can be molded into any shape at the right heat. To prevent warping when shaping the panels, special care is taken to keep the temperature uniform.
アクリルって生き物だなと思うところがありまして、測るたび寸法が違うとか、そういうのが面白いというか難しいとこなんですかね。
This is the acrylic panel that Yamazaki produces for the aquarium. 8 5-centimeter thick acrylic slabs have been layered on top of each other. The transparency test proves that its clarity meets the requirements. Shinshi has provided many solutions to the diverse needs of aquariums over the years. They boast a roughly 60% market share of large-scale aquarium tanks within Japan, such as this tunnel. Shinshi's biggest challenge was the triangular tunnel at the Aquamarine Fukushima Aquarium in Iwaki City, Fukushima Prefecture.
この三角形こう合わせるんですけど、ここの接着が難しかったですね。お恥ずかしい話、ちょっと失敗っていうのがありまして。
Each acrylic panel weighs 24 tons. The challenge was to connect the panels in a way that could support both the weight and water pressure. However, this shape was the dream of the aquarium, which wanted to represent its local seas.
このいわき沖が潮目の海って言って、南から黒潮が上がってきて、で北から親潮、寒流と暖流がね出会う海ですね。そのテーマで、この水槽をやろうということになりました。
They got their wish of having the cold current environment on the left and the warm current on the right recreated in the tunnel. The apex of the triangular tunnel represents the point where the two seas meet. Yamazaki's team worked through trial and error for a year before the project was completed.
これできないよと言わない、チャレンジですかね。さまざまな形、パネルも巨大化していきますんで、それに対応していきたいと思っております。